Toko ya chakabene korwase county ya Kisii awase University ya Kisii bono yabe kiroko iwana kubwatirana the University ya Manchester eriyo kuchikosomya aborokiwa anene ase ensemo yobochenu asibona aborokiwa wetani 15 kurwase University ya Kisii barachie kwenyorera chisemya se University yo ya Manchester anena senchira unenchira ya moyo gokonya gokinya ebirenko byobochenu anene imense ya Kenya abakora wano mo Vice Chancellor we University ya Kisii Professor Nathan Ogechi nigatebuna nerebuya aborokiwa gosoka isiko irikonyora obumanyi bwekerengo kegoro asekeria ebintu bigotumeka asamangana yetsemya se chinse chesko nigobire ebyebirengo byegoro kegima hebyo birakonye aborokiwa konyora obumanyi bwebirengo byegoro muri keto Mildred Mumanyi nigagotoigorera mayeyense ye monoroboti rwasenchera yobekirano. University ya Kisii kubatarana University ya Manchester nigo babekire essay asabarokiwa wetania 15 kurwa sensemo yobochenu abubarache kwenyorera libagali yokogenda University ya Manchester iriyo kwenyorera amaigilyo asegeka kemetienyi etatu unenchere ya moyo gokinya ebirengo byobochenu nigo omo Vice Chancellor we University ya Kisii Nathan Ogechi arera igoro yo murubulyo yono buyabwaye asenonya na ba professor wekirana kuro Manchester batebanere buya aborokiwa abugosoka isiko iriyo kwemanya igoro yo kurwalia amaroire atagete obumanyi bwekerengo kegoro mono
igo bacha sengencho ntobwate omorobelyo bwogosomya abanyagitari abanasi abanyagitari bamaryogo n'ekiclinical officer n'abantu bandi bonse bagodino n'amaryogo abuno obutogosomiga nabo igo momonyete nga eserikali ya Kenya na serikali ya Bongereza nebwate omoroberi ya saineti yogo cha Kenya gitari enene ekero omoroberi ibwensi byoerere university eye n'abasani baito kuri Bongereza ne county government mbaga Kenya gitari enene eyeratumeke ase chi county chions PSS asakoro kwa Lake Basin block.
We are very much looking forward to seeing Kisii students coming to Manchester over the summer for an opportunity to get an experience, to learn about the UK education system, to learn about the UK environment, the culture of Manchester and the northwest of the UK.
Twagendereire bya gisatu chaka nabona twikirase ensemo tugutuma abana baito naburgo chikonyora amasomo ngumbu para equipment iri ngumbu bunere bagucha iga barua marwario togotebangare at international standards
nigo bateba omubaro bw'aborokigwa abo barache konyora libagali tangani asomurubulyo yo asebo igo bateba nere byanonya nabali mukugenda konyora amaigelia yo
abana kati ya 10 na 15 bache bagenda Bongereza asemeti nyetatu bachigosomororo elinde baigerigo ryo bonyagitari batumie chi equipment kire Bongereza banyora abanyagitari basomete babwate experience kende ali Bongereza obuya buyo yonkelinga abamuna bakogenda Bongereza besa no ninturumba liko cha wakana ige university ito negenda tokina wetani kwa university ya minere Gusii lakini university ya East Africa ya international inara mangana maya aya talentere actual kwa tawanga minto to batebye amangana ya maya
nangona abarimu kurungumbu na barabungu cha bara na baitu bagende ngumbu uyino koreta ngenjo yokoyana na chisemi irinde libaga abana baitu bakogenda Bongereza bakonyora amasomo ayo iga amasomo baranyore igare ngaine aliyanga banyora Bongereza
nigo abageni abo kuro Manchester University bakambia guchase Vice Chancellor ase ogwanchirana no morobulyo yu.
It's really very we are happy to be here, and the University of Manchester is very happy to be here in facilitating that student exchange. And I think it's important to place on record the immense role that the Vice Chancellor and the Dean have played in making this vision a reality. And I think I also need to place on record the gratitude to our philanthropic office in Manchester University for making this happen so that we can take a number of Kisii students from Kisii to the United Kingdom.
The place that will be the site for us in East Africa will be here in Kisii with those as the hub, with those reach across the lake region.
Kuripotelea itaseni Ndizi TV, ile Mildred Mumanyi.